Welcome guys, Creambar back again.
Marco D back in the building.
With another reaction video.
By Little Mix.
No man, I don't need to mix this, bruh. Don't get it mixed up. This is Chile. No. Chilleri. Bangs. My for CR.
Whoa. Hold on, the same black girl that we reacted to a couple months ago?
I think so. No. Sorry, that's that. No, different one. This is another man. This is Chilleri Bangs. This is
I want to see what the girl.
Yeah, so shoot man. She named Taste. What? Tasty? What the hell? Alright. What's what one another one now? So begin. No.
Turn around, throw it back on it.
Trouble that already.
Yo, digga, hold on, no, hold on, digga, hold on, my yo, hold on, no.
You see, man, you trouble that in there, that not real. Just keep your line.
What's it?
Right, I'm gonna make sure we wait in my hand.
My nigga.
Let me tell you how much it weighs.
Yo.
Let me tell you how much it weighs, like a automatical scale.
Yo.
Fully
The
active.
video just started. Literally just started.
Fully
Oh,
active.
I'm like what she sound good too.
Cute too.
Yeah.
Keep baby.
Bust it down like an AP.
Yeah.
You sound like a rapper, isn't it?
She a pastry. Come get a cake from the
What
bakery.
you mean?
Big 4-4, no safety.
No
Said he
time.
love me even though I'm hella facey.
Tasty.
Rich nigga out in Haiti. Fly me to Miami, now his baby mama hate
Oh,
me.
you mean?
Bye, Stacy. Shut up. Nothing you can do cause I'm a born stunner. Bitch, I'm a boss, you a runner. Top tier, but I had your pussy on the come up.
What you
Everything
mean?
turn up. No
Yeah.
cap.
Yo, I wonder,
Really bad.
me no want to get black. Me no want to get black on the video, dog. Me all a fraternity, dog. Me no want to get black, you know.
Oh, boy.
Tap on it, tap on it. Turn
No matter, but like the video full of too much something going on every day, dog.
Nah, man, the video already up on YouTube, dog. So you can't back up with this. It's already up on YouTube. Watch it, daddy. I would love to see. Watch it. Shake it, baby.
Double tap. Face down, arch your back. Got him hooked on a crack. Whip it up like a frog in a trap. Oh, I'm really with the shit. Fuck a movie, take me to the dealership. Double back, put a milli on my wrist. Really shit, and I've been killing it. Ayy. This is for my bad bitches. Avocado. On the rocks like Colorado. Brown skin boss chick looking Ferragamo. So if you got it going on, deuce in the air cause you know you the one. And you got the bomb ass pussy. Bend it over cause I wanna see you.
Boom me up, baby. Boom me up.
Double tap on it.
Double tap.
Turn around, throw it back on it.
Whoa.
Chicken, yo.
Whoa.
Got a nigga spending
Everything there on her back.
Ooh, doing laps on it.
I check, but it's big like out I do it, daddy. With space.
Check the stats on it. Add VAT and some tax on it. Double tap.
Oh my god.
Turn around.
Oh my god. This is
Little bling, couple taps on it. Got a nigga spending racks on it. Ooh,
Whoa,
doing
baby.
laps on
I
it.
love that one there.
Yeah, the line got cats on it.
ooh, hey.
Add VAT and some tax on it.
Yo.
Watch it, dog. Dog, what me I do for top that? Watch it, dog. Everything they there, no? Just keep it. Oh my god. Everything they run about, baby. I love it.
Yo,
I
me like
love
her
your
style,
song. I
her
love
style
your
good,
video.
dog, you see me?
Raw, you know, give a crap.
Yeah,
about that.
she has to call that because even when she on the Instagram thing, she sound see when she talk, see when she sound.
What?
You see me? Yeah,
Yeah,
dog.
sexy like hell.
But she bad dog. Bad dog. Yeah, guys, it's a chill area. Bang, what you think about her?
Oh God, man. She's
Yo.
fucking amazing.
Well, I was saying, I said, hold on, big up, I love that girl there, bro.
Damn, I love her, I not even know her. Alright, now a man see me show me.
I said, yo, let me try go put her there, dog. You see me? She bad dog. She bad, man, you big man thing. She
God,
bad
man,
dog.
that's how she just shake it, dog, and the club just sits up. Like she just keep the line, dog, and just collect everything. A tree person supposed to have everything very good in there, dog. Man, everything just clump up.
Yeah.
And when she wine, she just I feel say, no man, she have something up. No man, she put.
No man, my, I you nothing more from other video them, dog. But anyway, guys, this is the end of some video. Peace
Video
out.
the bad, I love that video.
Yo.
Me enjoy the song and the video. That girl, the fucking sexy. She amazing.